How to change your formation in Fantasy Premier League. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So let's get started. First of all, open any web browser and type in Fantasy Premier League and open the official website on the top of the search box, and now you will land on this page. First of all, go to the squad section, and here you can see all the player cards. You can choose whom to keep as goalkeeper, defender, midfielder and forward. You can tap on the player card and add the players. To change the formation, you just simply tap on the player card and remove the player. Now to remove my defender, I'll tap on the player icon and tap on remove player. Likewise, you can simply tap on the player card and remove them and add the other player. So this is how you can change the formation in Fantasy Premier League. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss any update from us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.